Welcome to It's Possible Podcast. My name is Wilkin and I am your financial educator. Today I want to talk to you about 5 life insurance policies that you need to know about. The first one is term insurance. Term insurance is the most common one. This is what most people have. There is nothing wrong with term insurance. The way I could define term insurance is just like you rent a house. You rent the house for a certain period of time. When the time ends, it's over. This is exactly how a term insurance works. You may have a term insurance for 10, 15, or 20 years. After that period of time, you need another life insurance policy. The negative side of this is 20 years later, your insurance will be more expensive. Something you were paying $100 for, you may be paying $200, even $300, you never know. It depends on your age, your health, your credit. They check many things to determine how much money you're gonna pay for your insurance policy. This is term insurance. Well, term insurance is mostly used for young people. The second one is final expense. It's an insurance that is used to pay for funeral services. This type of insurance, when someone dies, the insurance company pays the money between 24 and 48 hours. So that's why they call it final expense. It is used for funeral services. Everyone should have a final expense policy. The reason is because if you have a term, a whole life, or any other type of life insurance policy, it will take some time for you to get the money once the person passes away. So that's why it is necessary for everyone to have a final expense policy, so that we don't do the GoFundMe anymore. Final expense insurance is not so expensive. So everyone needs to have a final expense insurance. If you don't have it yet, I'm asking you to please schedule a call with me. Myself or someone in my office is going to help you with your final expense insurance. The third one is whole life. Whole life is a policy that is used for your whole life. As long as you make the payments, the policy will remain in force for your whole life. So this is good, and I'm gonna just keep it simple, just like that. All right, the fourth one is universal life. Universal life is a form of permanent or whole life insurance. The difference is that universal life is flexible. You can change the premium, you can change the death benefit depending on what the company allows you to do. Okay, so that's the difference. The whole life, you cannot change it. Whole life is fixed. You cannot change the premium, you cannot change the death benefit. Universal life, yes, you can change the premium, you can change the death benefit depending on what the company allows you to do. The fifth one is Index Universal Life. Index Universal Life is also a permanent life insurance policy, or a whole life permanent life insurance policy. Now, the difference is that there is a contract in this policy, which is the index contract. This policy has a cash value, so the cash value takes advantage of the stock market when the stock market is going up. But when the stock market is going down, the index is locked, it will not go down. This is the policy we use to help people create their own bank. This is the policy we use to help most people prepare their retirement. In this policy, the cash value grows between 12 and 15% a year. I want you to book a call with me so that we can talk about setting up your own bank or getting your final expense. Everybody needs a final expense. My name is Wilkin. I am the founder and owner of the It's Possible Insurance and Financial Services here in Fayetteville, Georgia. Thank you very much. May God bless you.